So today's unboxing video is going to be on the Anker USB hub. Now, if you're thinking about doing maybe a under desk kind of hub for your computer, keep everything neat on top of your desk, this is a good one to go with because it's kind of smaller and it don't stand out as much. So you get 55 million happy users, fast charge via leading technology, that's always a good feature, 18 months hassle-free warranty. Now let's take a look at this. Try to open it up. I do enjoy the Anker products. I have reviewed them a couple times on the channel, and I have unboxed them a few times on the channel too, especially the chargers. And I only had one Anker product ever fail on me, and that was after 3 years of use. And it wasn't the product itself has failed, it was the design of it. It's the one that you could, pack around with you, and the prongs would fold down. The prongs finally started shorting out. I guess the connection finally wore down where it been used so much. 3 years of use, pretty good. In the box, this is what you get. Nice packaging. USB Type 3.0. You can tell by the little blue strip in it. Low profile. As I said, you can mount this under a desk and use it as your USB hub, or somewhere on top. It ain't too noticeable. Or maybe on the bottom of a TV or your monitor with sticky tape. Would not be too bad at all. Other than that, that's basically all you get in the box. Nothing fancy. Some customer support stuff. But yeah, it's a very good product, I do personally think. I will have a install video, me installing this under my computer desk, coming soon. So if that's something you want to check out or maybe do yourself, definitely subscribe to the channel and keep an eye out for that video that will be coming soon. So this is the product. Looks extremely good. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.